we're going to do that braided headband. Alright, this time I grabbed a little bit more from behind the ear. So I'm going to start from behind the ear with 3 sections of hair. They can be really small sections, it's really okay. And I'm just starting like a regular French braid, up and over. Then I'm going to grab some hair all the way across on the right hand section, not grab any on the left, just bring it up and over. Hold it tight. Grab some on the right hand section, bring it up and over, not grab any on the back, keep going. Grab some on the right hand section, bring some on the back, up and over. I'm just going to continue this across the entire head. Remember, the smaller amount of hair, the tighter the braid can be. Alright, so normal head, please. Perfect. Now that the hair is out of your eyes, you don't have to lean forward or lean over. Holding the braid with my thumb as I grab sections with my right hand. Hold my braid as I cross over. Grab section with the right hand.
Awesome job.
Excellent. There you go. There you go, gorgeous.